welcome back to Blurs, and you might hear the music. This is not the game music, actually. The really neat thing about this game... Here, let me pause. The really neat thing about this game is that you get... It's like actually riding in a car. So you have a radio. So that's the radio that you guys are hearing right now. So yeah, let me change the radio station. No radio station. Yep, let's change it. I like this one. Let's do another one though.
Turn right.
Nope. Nope. Yep. See, this one's really nice.
In 200 meters.
So that's the radio, not the game music.
Turn left.
Woo. Oh, that guy just cut me off. There we are. In San Giovanni. Ooh, so, yeah. The game music is really nice.
Alright, welcome to the Super GT Championship. There's some real hot cars signed up for this one. Couple of Astons already. I'm really looking forward to this. Choose a race and we'll get started.
Me too. Let's do this.
To Horizon.
You leveled up.
Alright. Please be a good prize. 14,000. Whoa, sorry. 14,000. Whoa, that's really nice. Here we are. Let's go to this race. Alright, there we go. Super Giovanni Trail Race 1 out of 4. Let's do this. Alright, I'm really hyped for this one. Alright, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this is a huge race. Whoa. Oh, this guy has the same car as me. There we go. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's do this view. Or my racing view, which is this one. Woo. First place, like a boss. Alright, I'm sorry for being really silent. I'm just so hyped for this race because it's my first one for the GT Supercars or whatever it's called. Come on, we can do this. Turn. Woo. It's nice. Whoa, turn! Oh no, I just crashed into that wall. Which is a major problem if you ask me. Whoa, I just flew there. Oh, this is an intense game, you guys should get it. Forza Horizon 2, get it, it's so nice. Let's turn, woo! We are boss at this game, guys. Whoa. 1 out of 12. The thing I like about this view is that it looks like I'm running. So, looks like you're actually running. but not in a car. This view looks like you're in a car, but this view looks like you're running, right? So, really nice view. %, 90%. Ooh, we're so close to the finish. Let's turn and whew, not that much of a turn, but let's go faster. Woo, we won.
Great driving, mate, and another win too. Well done.
Thank you. And there we are.
Because life's a party.
There we are. Cool. Whoa, look, there's a car there. Let's crash into him. Woo! This is so fun. Oh, that was nice. Alright. So that was the race for you guys. Won again. But don't forget, this also was a road trip to go to the race. So it was a nice road trip. A road trip part 2. So that was it. I'm so sorry that this is probably the shortest no, not the shortest video. I made way shorter videos than this, like 30 seconds or something. But for a gaming video, this might be my shortest. Who knows? Who knows? So yeah, I will make a Vine. It's really cool. So it's going to be a Minecraft Vine, which is going to be like, alright, I don't want to spoil it for you guys, but yeah. So that has been the video for you guys, and I'll see you doublers later. Bye.